Hi everybody and welcome. Today we're going to be learning how to do a treble stitch. So I have a number 3 worsted weighted yarn. I'm also working with an H hook, 5mm, and I have made a chain, and if you need assistance making a slip stitch in a chain, I will link those videos. So to start, we're going to take our hook, we're going to yarn over twice, once, twice. We're going to skip the first 2 stitches. We're going to skip this stitch and we're going to skip this stitch, and we're going to work in this 3rd stitch here. We're going to insert our hook, we're going to yarn over, we're going to pull it back through, and we're going to yarn over again. We now have 5 loops on our hook. We're going to pull through the first 2 loops, we're going to yarn over again, we're going to pull through the next 2 loops, we're going to yarn over again, we're going to pull through the last 2 loops, and that'll make our first treble. We're going to go on to the next one. We're going to yarn over once, yarn over twice. We're now going to go into the next chain. We're going to yarn over and pull through. We're going to yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Let's do that a few more times. We're going to yarn over once and twice. We're going to go into this next chain. We're going to yarn over and pull through. We're going to yarn over and go through 2 loops. We're going to yarn over and go through 2 loops. We're going to yarn over and go through 2 loops. So you can see we're starting to get a little definition there. So let's keep going. We're going to yarn over twice. We're going to work in the next stitch. We're going to go through. We're going to yarn over and pull it back through. We're going to yarn over and go through 2 loops. Yarn over, go through 2 loops. Yarn over, go through 2 loops. Now let's keep going till we get to the end of the row. Now if you mess up, or like mine, my yarn split, you can just pull your hook out and pull your working yarn and it'll come out. So we're going to try it again. Yarn over 2, go into the next stitch, pull over, come through, yarn over 2, and pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That one's a little messy, I don't like that. We're going to pull that one out and try one more time. Yarn over twice. We're going to go into the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That one looks much better. So let's yarn over twice, go into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Let's keep going to the end of our row, and then we'll turn and work the other direction. Okay, the last stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we're going to turn our work. Now to turn our work for a treble crochet, we need to build up our first stitch. So we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. We're then going to turn our work. we're going to yarn over twice, and this first hole right here is where we're going to insert our hook, and we're going to go through both loops of the top of our work. We're going to yarn over, pull back through, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2. We're going to continue down the row. We're going to yarn over twice. We're going to go into the next hole in our chain, go through both stitches, yarn over, pull back through, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2. Now you can, when you're doing this, an alternative to the stitch is when you're going through your hole, only go through one of the bees on the top, yarn over, come back through, and continue your stitch just as normal. And what this does is it creates a texture on the other side. So we just went through, we didn't go through both loops on the top, we only went through one. And then let me do a few more here. We went just through the first strand, not both. And we'll go through, see if we can see the effect yet. No, not yet. Let's do a couple more. Go through just the first. Okay, let's see. So now you can see on this side, it may not be easy to see. You can see as we're doing just the, just going through the front loop, you can see that it makes a ridge on this side, and it gives just a textured effect to your work. Both ways are correct. It's really whichever way you like. So let's finish down the rest of the row. We'll finish in just the first loops. Okay, and our last stitch sometimes is hard to find. Yarn over, go through 2. Oh, split again. Let's try that again. There we go. All right, now we can flip over, and we can see that working in just that one loop gave this nice pretty texture to our work. If you did not want that piece of texture in there, that's fine. Just continue working through both loops instead of just the one loop, and it'll make a nice flat piece of work. And there you have it. That's how you make a treble crochet. So thank you for joining me. Like and subscribe so I know to make more videos, and happy stitches.